One of the most influential and effective applications of NLP is in building rapport, trust, and intimacy with people. So there is a process of building a rapport with the people. It is not only about the technique. Technique comes later. The first is you understanding that person's values and beliefs. Why? Because our mind filters information based on the values and beliefs. So if you are interested in developing a rapport with any person, first you need to understand what are the values, beliefs, and the cultural background of that person. And then you have to look at some common experiences in life between you, among you, right? So this is the foundation of building rapport. Foundation of the building rapport is not the technique and the sweet talk. Foundation of the building rapport is genuinely understanding values, beliefs, and the cultural background of this person and arriving at some common experiences and use that common experiences to build the communication. And behavioral intelligence is at the root of building rapport. There are 4 types of major behavioral patterns, DISC, right? So if you want to know more about it, in the survey form, you can mention it, and my team will send you a 55-minute video recording, a live video recording of behavioral intelligence webinar to you. So the behavioral intelligence is the foundation of the building rapport. If you need to deal with the D people, you need to understand D or I or S or C. You need to understand first their behavioral pattern and adapt your communication and behavior with them corresponding to their behavioral pattern. This is the foundation of the rapport. If you are in a position to do these 5 things, then you can utilize one fantastic technique called as mirroring and matching. Mirroring and matching is about the observing the other person and having the body language similar to the other person. Similar to the other person. You don't have to copy exactly, and you don't have to be very conscious about this copy technology. It is not about the copy technology. It is gelling with that person, and your physiology helps you in gelling with that person. So your body language, your tonality, the way you are speaking is, for example, if that person is speaking very slowly, for example, that is that person's behavioral style, but you are talking very fast. Now there is no gelling. So if that person is talking slowly and you are into a conversation and you are looking for building rapport, you have to tone down your speed and you have to match the speed of talking with that particular person. So your physiology, your body language has to match with the other person. So this is the technique of NLP. And once you are in a position to do this, then you are in a position to influence the outcome of that particular discussion. So the idea is not to create a connection at a superficial level of wearing the similar clothes or having the exactly same or the mirror body language, right? So this technique is to be utilized smartly, but not very directly or very consciously. Always the connection is at the subconscious level. Human beings have a 6th sense. We sense the aura of the other person. If you are thinking good about the other person, directly or indirectly, that person gets that feel that is, yes, you are a good person and you are thinking good about that other person. But if you are not thinking good about that particular other person, and even if you are talking very sweet, your aura will not communicate that. Means you can't see the aura, but this is how it happens. So always connection has to be at a subconscious level. At an unconscious level, you have to build the communication. And these are all the techniques, or these are all the tools, or these are all the processes or the foundations of building a rapport.